Let's see. An Maljat Milshine.
Okay.
That's candies there.
Ismailum Milshine.
Okay, Ismailum Milshine. I like candies. Sorry?
But my dentist doesn't, so it'd be odd.
Okay. Well, so we had a dentist here. On the list there. Yeah.
Wonderful dentist.
So we have dentist here is Fiaclor there. And do you remember how to say my dentist doesn't like?
Yeah.
So literally you're saying it isn't good with with the dentist. Right. So that would be Nima Lesh on Fiaclor. Right. So.
How would you say with my dentist with lemma?
That would probably be just lemiclor, yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, because mo would aspirate the F and disappear. So right. So if you want to say the dentist doesn't like chocolates, or excuse me, not chocolates, candies, nima lesh un viaclor, because the F in viaclor gets eclipsed by the BH because of lesh un. So nima lesh un viaclor milshine. Okay. That's a good one. Let's see. Heaving, are you participating here?
Of course.
Okay. On Maljat Limanoij.
Nimalium.
Right. So Nimalium, and in this case, Limanoij is feminine, so it would actually be E, but you almost can't tell the difference sometimes, so I don't want to stress out about it too much, but Nimalium E, I don't like it. I started with you, right? Okay, so I got all the way around. Is there anyone I missed?
Mr. Brother.
Oh, do you want to? Okay, I can ask you something.
You can torment him.
Maljat Bia Idalach. Okay, it's Malesh Gomor. He likes it greatly. So remember, more is big. Gomor is like greatly. So, yeah, Muzzy, everybody remembers Muzzy Moore. Okay. So I've got everybody. Okay, so now we're going to go into a little bit of a trickier one. Well, that's okay. I hate to start here, but I want to start a nice horseshoe pattern here. So what I want you to do is, you see how to ask somebody, do you like, on Maljat. So why don't you ask Dermot here if he likes something on this list, and he'll tell you yes he likes it or no he doesn't like it.
Okay. Giamoj on Maljat Jouwer.
Okay, did you get that? On Maljat Jouwer, do you like books?
Ishmael Jouwer.
Okay. Ismalium Jouwer, or Ismalium Iad, if you want to just say I like them. Okay, so now you ask Chris if he likes something on the list. And remember, if you want, you can also use nach Maljat, don't you like? It's all the same because you're just answering questions. So you can use the positive or negative question if you prefer.
Nach Maljat Ishke?
Is Isma.
Right, Isma Kinsha. Right, so Isma Kinsha. Yes, I do, of course. Okay, so now Chris, you ask Bob a question. What does he?
An Maljat Suhatalun.
Okay, so everybody follow that? On Maljat Suhatalun. Do you like strawberries? Right, so Ismalium.
Anwa, Liom, Ian.
Ismalium Kahanwar, I guess? I don't know if you would say I like them very well. Yeah, you could say Ismalium Gomor. I like them greatly.
Ismalium Ian or Gomor?
Ismalium, yeah, usually if you're using the pronoun, you would, those A, E, or E-ids get shunted to the end of the sentence there. Yeah.
Ismalium Gomor.
Right, so he asked, does he like strawberries? He said, Isma, yes. Ismalium Gomor Iad. I like them a lot, or I like them. Gomor, remember, is greatly. More is big or great. gomor is greatly. So I like them greatly. Ismalium gomor iad. But the iad gets shoved down the end. Okay, come on. Now you ask Francesca if she likes something.
Francis is Malia.
The question, right? Well, the question, unmaliat or nach maliat. You can use either of those. Sorry. Yeah, I know. Right. Otherwise, you're telling her what she likes. Well, I suppose.
Put her in a place, Bob.
Francis Malia Karna.
Right. So unmaliat karana. That's down at the list of non-food items down there. Right. Cars. Right. Okay. So nima, I don't. And then the rest of it.
Oh, I can't find it. Whatever.
Nima is
Bicycles instead.
Oh. We will go into I prefer or something like
that's
that next sheet. You could say Ismalium roher. I think, was that on last week's stuff? Yeah, that was on one of the noun sheets from last week's lessons. We had bicycles.
Oh.
So that's roher. So roher. So, I like bicycles. He said, okay, come on. Now you ask Tim a question. Do you like something or other?
Nimalam ishka behe. It's is it ara or Martian because?
Mar would be because,
Mar.
just mar on its own.
So if I say I don't drink, it's mar nimalam or.
Yeah, that's. I think some of that stuff is in next week's class.
sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. No, you're on the track of a good sentence. It's just we don't have all the parts here right in this class. In next week's class, I think we have that. I almost threw it in this one, but I thought, well, last week I gave him so much. Give him a little bit less material this time, so you have a chance to absorb it. So, but yeah, you're on the right track. That's all right.
Crash and burn. Okay.
That's all right. We were this close to getting it, but we don't have it on the sheets here. So. Okay, so everybody caught what they were saying, right? Maliat ishkabaha, do you like whiskey? He said Nima. Oh, nach Maliat, don't you like it? And he said Nima, Nimalium ishkabaha. No, I don't like whiskey. Okay, so now you ask Kevin a question. Unless Thomas, do you want to? Okay. Either way.
Okay.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, on Malet, Martial no Shiki.
Okay. So he asked, on Malyat Marchol, do you like beef? Nu shikin, or chicken. So.
How do you say
How do you say what?
both?
It'll probably be Andachyan or something.
Two heads.
Yeah.
Most of-
Or Andalrud or something. I think it would be Andachyan or Andalrud, the two things. Andal. Okay. So it's Malesh Andalrud. He likes the both of them, two things. Okay. Now, do you want to ask Kevin a question? I don't know. Do you have it?
Giving the Maliat
Okay. Okay. No, I think Banya is an A. Yeah, it's an A. It's got a little M next to it for masculine. So, yes, on Maliat Banya, do you like milk? Ismalium A. Yes, I like it. Okay, come on. And now you